There we go. There's another one. This is for Winnebago. I just got the weather sheet.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Davis Junction to 7 miles northeast of Hillcrest to near Rochelle, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
I don't know why that isn't focusing
Expect
right.
hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Lake, Indiana, the Hills, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Sycamore, Marengo, Genoa, Pingree Grove, Hampshire, Cortland, Davis Junction, Kirkland, Kingston, Malta, Lily Lake, New Milford, Burlington, Union, and Garden Prairie, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 117. Interstate 90 between mile markers 21 and 47. This includes Northern Illinois University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for northwestern Kendall, northeastern LaSalle, and southeastern DeKalb counties.